All right, this one, because of my spacing, all the stuff's on the next page. So sorry. Okay.
It's okay. We all make mistakes.
So we're gonna do it right here. All right. So we've got a rectangular page that has 24 square inches of print. Okay. So you guys know on a piece of paper, not the whole thing is covered in print, right? What's the other stuff? Margins.
Is that 29 or
24. The margins at the top and the bottom are to be 1.5 inches. Okay. So basically, no, we're not making a box today. We're making a page.
Is that Google Doc?
Sure. Okay, and the left and right are going to be 1 inch margins. Okay. Yeah, the left and the right. So these are 1 inch. These are 1.5 inch. And they want to know what the dimensions of the page should be for the least amount of paper used. So what am I trying to maximize or minimize? Yeah, area is trying to be maximized or minimized? Try one more time. Minimize. I want to use the least amount of paper, right? So I want it to be as condensed as possible. Okay. So we're going to try and minimize the area. Okay. The important thing is that we have to get 24 inches of print. Okay. So if I call this X and this is Y, what's true about X times Y? Equals 24. Okay. So that's our restriction function or equation. All right, but what about the area of the page itself? Okay, because my print has to be 24, but I want the area of the page to be minimized. How wide is my page going to be? Well, my margins are what? 1 inch on either side. So if there's an inch here and an inch here, that's 2 inches. And I have this X, so how can I write that? X plus 2. Right, so right here, this is X plus 2. Right? And this is Y plus 3 because this is Y, and then we have an inch and a half here and an inch and a half here. An inch and a half and an inch and a half, 3 inches. So the area, length times width, there we go. And this is a function I'm trying to minimize here. But the problem is I have it in X and Y. What should I do? No, I have X and Y. I want only X. So I gotta solve for Y here. Oops, wrong way. Just kidding. So Y is just 24 divided by X. So I'm gonna put that here. Now what do I do? Huh? Bro. You guys were just saying it. Flip. So that's 24 plus 3x plus 48 over x plus 6. So that's my area function. Oh, I can combine like terms. So I get 30 plus 3x plus 48 over x. So that's the area function all in terms of x. Now what? take the derivative. Remember, these are all max and min problems. To find max and mins, you take the derivative, set it equals 0, sign chart. So, let's take the derivative. What do you get? 3.
What is it? Oh, 48.
Right, because that's x to the negative 1.
Yeah, you
Distribute the negative 1, minus 1 is negative 2. Alright, so now I've taken the derivative. What's the next step in all my max and min problems? Set equals 0. Subtract the 3. Subtract the 3. So I get negative 3 equals negative 48 over x squared. Cross multiply, negative 3x squared equals negative 48. Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. X squared equals, 16.
How'd you hear that? I know, how'd you hear
I have great hearing. Square root,
4.
x equals 4. Why do I not care about the negative version?
Can't be a negative area.
Yeah, I'm not going to have negative area in here. That's crazy town.
According to your world, it'll be a black hole.
Yeah, it's like a black hole, basically, if you had a negative area. So, oh look, how perfect. Set up my sign chart. What's something less than 4?
You know.
Like, I don't want to do 0,
2.
right? So what about,
2.
sure, 2. So that's 48 over 4, which is, good job, 3 minus 12? It's going to be a negative value.
No.
Yes.
That's crazy.
All right, something greater than 4.
25.
25, okay.
Keep talking about
It is?
Positive.
Yeah, positive.
I don't know about that one, but then. Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay. Now what?
The Simpson froze. I think she's lagging.
Now what?
It's a midnight.
There's a min at x equals 4. So what does y have to be? 6. Why? Yep, there you go.
No. Bro, I was gonna say this on the start. No. No. You have like 4 options. Beto, don't rain on my parade.
Okay.
I got a permit just for this parade.
But that's not what they asked for.
Oh,
That's why I was looking at my paper. That's why I was lagging. What did they ask for?
Let me go.
The dimensions of the page. So, how far long should my page be? 6. Why? Yeah, because it's 4 plus 2, right? Because of the margins. Because the margins are 2. So if this is 6, the whole page has to, or sorry, yeah. If this is 4, the whole page has to be 6.
Okay.
Because 4 plus 2 is 6. Don't say it like it's a secret that 4 plus 2 is 6. All right, what's y have to be? 9, right? Because we said it's 6 here plus 3 is 9. Okay, so those are the dimensions of the actual piece of paper.